TheJbeans.net.
Ocean Key MSC Marine Reserve is a private island resort owned by MSC that is located in the Bahamas. The island offers quick and easy access to snorkeling, whether you take a ship excursion or bring your own equipment and snorkel at the beach. In this video, we'll show footage we captured while snorkeling on our own during our visit to Ocean Key in June 2023. Just a quick note that if you enjoy this video, please give us a thumbs up or leave a comment. It really helps our channel. And consider subscribing so you get alerted when we add new videos. Ocean Key features multiple beaches scattered throughout the private island. During our visit, we spent most of our time swimming and snorkeling at Lighthouse Bay, which was located very close to the dock area. The bay was easily identifiable thanks to the red and white striped lighthouse located on the bay's west side. Our initial snorkeling experience in the middle part of Lighthouse Bay was rather limited, and we only saw a handful of fish. However, as we swam closer to the lighthouse, the amount of seabed vegetation increased, and we soon discovered significantly more fish. One of the more interesting fish we found was a spot fin butterfly fish, which was easily recognizable by its distinctive yellow fins, vertical black stripe, and notable spot on its back fin.